Hello students, I hope you all are fit and healthy. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 5, acids, bases and salts. In our day-to-day life we come across many substances which taste sour. These substances are acids. Lemon juice, orange juice, vinegar, curd, आमला, these all taste sour, means ये कैसे होते हैं, खट्टे होते हैं. We name it as acids. On the other hand, we come across substances which taste bitter, कड़वा, such as baking soda, bitter gourd, cucumber, green vegetable. We name it as bases. These substances are known as bases. Now we will learn about acids and bases in detail. Chapter 5, acid, bases and salts. We use large number of edible substances. What are edible substances? The substances which can be eaten. We use large number of edible substances in our daily life, such as lemon, salt, sugar, tamarind and curd. Do they have the same taste? इन सभी का taste same होता है? No, they have different taste. Let us recall taste of few edible substances. Yes, we will recall the taste of these substances. First substance is lemon juice. How is it? What is the taste of lemon juice? It is sour. ये क्या होते हैं, खट्टे होते हैं taste में. Orange juice, it can be sour or sometimes it can be sweet. Curd, दही, it is sour in taste, खट्टा होता है ये. Grapes, sour and sweet. Sugar, sweet. Common salt, salty. Apple, sour and sweet. बेकिंग सोडा, बिटर, बिटर मीन्स कोड़े, लाइक बिटर गार्ड, करेले आप खाते हो वो कोड़े होते हैं, ठीक है. देन विनेगर, सिरका, डेट वी यूज्ड इन आर सैलड ऑल्सो, डेट इज ऑल्सो सोर इन टेस्ट. सो सम सब्सटेंसेस टेस्ट सोर, सम टेस्ट बिटर एंड सम टेस्ट sweet and some taste salty, means each substance has different taste. So based on the taste of the substances we can classify substances into two categories, acids and base. Now in this chapter we will learn about these two categories, acids and base. First is acids. Curd, lemon juice, orange juice and vinegar, they all taste sour. ये कैसे होते हैं, टेस्ट में खट्टे होते हैं. These substances taste sour because they contain acids. The substances that are sour in taste are called acids. So what are acid? Those substances which are sour in taste. The word acid is derived from the Latin word acidus, which means sour. Acids are of two types, organic acids and mineral acids. First we will study in detail about organic acids, which are also known as natural acid. As it is clear from the name, the acids which are obtained from nature. The acids that are found in plants and animals are called organic acids. The names of some organic acids and their sources are given in this table. Sources mean from where they get. First name of organic acid is citric acid. Citric acid, it can be obtained in citrus fruit. Citrus means juicy fruit such as oranges, lemons. Then lactic acid, this acid is present in curd. Ascorbic acid, which is present in amla, citrus fruit. Again citrus means juicy fruits. Tartaric acid, it is present in tamarind, grapes, unripe mangoes. Acetic acid, which is present in vinegar. Oxalic acid, which is present in spinach, tomatoes, guavas. Malic acid, which is present in apples. Amino acids, which is present in proteins. We can get this acid from proteins. Tartaric acid is mixed with baking soda and is used in making cakes and biscuits. In these days we used to make cakes and cakes at home. So we make cake with the help of baking soda. Acetic acid is used in pickles, या अचार में यूज़ करा जाता है, and tomato ketchup, and also it is used in vinegar and is used in salads. Microorganisms cannot survive in acidic acid environment. So vinegar, that is acetic acid, is added to packaged food items like sauce, ketchups and pickles to preserve them so that microorganisms cannot attack these food items. We add these acids in these food items because microorganisms cannot survive in acidic environment. So here we have learned about different organic acids and their natural sources. Ascorbic acid, vitamin C is also known as ascorbic acid, as we all know that vitamin C is present in citrus fruits such as oranges. Then tartaric acid, which is present in tamarind. Tamarind means imli. Then grapes and unripe mangoes. So these are all organic acids which we get from plants and animals. Next, second kind of acids, it's mineral acids. It is opposite to organic acid, means if that were naturally occurring, these are man-made acids. The acids prepared from the minerals of the earth are called mineral acids, that are prepared by human beings. They are human made acid and are also known as laboratory acid because they are used in science lab to perform experiments. The most common minerals acids are sulfuric acid H2SO4, nitric acid HNO3 and hydrochloric acid, that is HCl. Mineral acids are very strong as well as dangerous also. They are highly corrosive in nature. They are highly corrosive means they are not safe for us. These acids can cause severe burns on the skin. So we should be very careful while using these acids. These acids should be handled with great caution. They should never be handled with bare hands or tastes. While using these acids, we should wear gloves. Next is dilute acids and concentrated acids. What is the difference between these two acids? Whenever we use any acid in the lab, we mix that acid with water. If there is excess amount of water, that acid become dilute acid. If there is excess amount of acid, less amount of water, then that acid will be known as concentrated acid. In labs, mostly we use dilute acids. We should not use concentrated acids in lab because they can be harmful for us. So what are dilute acid? The acidic solution that has a large quantity of water and small quantity of acids. In labs we mostly use dilute acid. In the beaker there is mostly written DIL.H2SO4, which means acid is dilute acid. For concentrated acid on the bottle there must be written CuNC. Which means acid is concentrated, rich in acid. The acidic solution that has a small quantity of water but a large quantity of acid, that are known as concentrated acid. And a concentrated acid is an acid in almost pure form and has a very small quantity of water. But in lab we mostly use dilute acid, the acids which are rich in water. We should not use concentrated acid. If we are going to use concentrated acid, we must be very cautious while using concentrated acids. So it's all about acids. Now next we will learn about bases. What are bases? बेकिंग सोडा डजेंट हैव अ सोर टेस्ट. एज वी ऑल नो डैट बेकिंग सोडा का जो टेस्ट है वो सोर नहीं, इट हैज़ अ बिटर टेस्ट. बिटर मीन्स कड़वा, कोड़ा होता है बेकिंग सोडा. इफ वी रब अ सोल्यूशन ऑफ बेकिंग सोडा बिटवीन आवर फिंगर, इट फील्स सोपी टच और स्लिपरी टच. द सब्सटेंस डेट आर बिटर इन टेस्ट, जिनका टेस्ट कैसा होता है, बिटर, कोड़े होते हैं, हैव सोपी टच, दे आर कॉल्ड बेसिस. दे आर ऑपोजिट टू एसिड्स. एसिड्स आर सोर इन टेस्ट and bases are bitter in taste. On the base of taste we can differentiate between acids and base. The nature of such substance is said to be basic nature. Some common bases are sodium hydroxide NaOH, potassium hydroxide KOH. Actually OH negative ions are basic in nature. Calcium hydroxide CaOH2, magnesium hydroxide MgOH2. The name of some common bases are given in table. Calcium hydroxide sources are lime water. Ammonium hydroxide window cleaner, floor cleaner, wood polish we use, it contains ammonium hydroxide base. Then soaps contain sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. And antacids, these are a collection of medicines, cosmetics, toothpaste and ointments means lotion or creams. These all contain magnesium hydroxide base. Soap we use, they are also basic in nature. So it's all about bases. Next are neutral substances, the substances which are neither acidic nor basic. Neither means ना तो वो acidic है नेचर में, ना वो basic है. That substances are called neutral. वैसे भी neutral means जो impartial है, ना तो वो acid है ना वो basic है, वो क्या है, neutral है. Examples are pure water और distilled water. इनकी pH क्या होती है, 7. Glucose, urea, sugar, salt, these all are examples of neutral substances.